Well, I have a lot of good memories. I don't have any bad memories. Uh, I was injured one time, and I uh, worked on a water bomb project in 1947, and that was a I can read this if you'd like this information. 1947 water bomb project. The U.S. Forest Service in the summer of 1947 joined with the Army Air Corps and ran a water bomb testing program southwest of Lolo, Montana, in Lolo National Forest. A B-29 bomber and a P-41 fighter were used. Actually, two fighters. The B-29 bomber came from Eglin Air Force Base in Fort Walton Beach, Florida, and it was flown to Great Falls, Montana, and came out of that area. The bombs were auxiliary wing tanks taken from the P-41 fighters and used, filled with water and some with foaming liquid, and were jettisoned on the fires by the aircraft. The bomber used the same tanks that were taken from to a machine hangar equipped with tail fins for stabilization, and a proximity fuse and an explosive were placed inside each bomb. They were designated to explode 50 to 150 feet and set above the ground. The project was controlled on the ground by an Air Force captain and supervised by a group of young men to create a smoke target and measure the effects of the event. Numerous tests were made with each aircraft. The final tests were run on a demonstration to forestry groups from various countries worldwide, and the demonstration climaxed with a successful Smokejumper drop. They extinguished the test fire, which, by the way, the bomber and fighter planes missed the targets. The day before the demonstration, the bomber had trouble and replaced an aircraft was rushed from Eglin Air Force Base in Florida. They had to make a hurried switch of the bomb site to the new bomber. This may have contributed to their missing target. I, along with my helper, were almost killed twice on two of these missions, once by the bomber and once by the fighter plane. Interesting story of these events could be related later. The Army Air Force was disbanded in September 18th of 1947 and became the United States Air Force. This may be the cause of little information recorded on these testings, and the testing was semi-secret and not much information was released at that time. I made a fire jump with one other jumper on a fire that had been attacked by the fighter plane. The bomb scattered the fires all over, and we had to extinguish numerous small fires around the original fire.